Okay, today I'd like to talk about the Garland XHP high efficiency synergy grill that we're showing here. This broiler will use anywhere from 50 to 75% less fuel than any other product on the market, and that's because of the synergy of the three working components on the inside. We have a power burner at 27,000 BTUs per side, a series of blowers to induce air into the power burner and make it stronger, and a ceramic stone deck to retain heat and to work as a heat sink while it's cooking. What that will do is that stone deck will get to about 1,000, 1,100 degrees and radiate heat up to your product, and it will keep your kitchen cooler because the vortex being caused by the synergy of the three components are keeping the heat underneath your grill where you want it. You don't want the heat to go up through the flue. Simple unit to use, turn it on, come in the morning, set your temperature at about whatever desired setting you need, and you're good to go. The best thing about this thing is easy cleanup. If you notice, there's no cumbersome grease straws to take care of. All you have to do, come in the following morning, lift off your burner grate, see how much ash or residue has built up in there, come in with a scraper or a shop vac, vacuum it out, put your grates back on, turn it on, and you're good to go. Again, the main feature here is the synergy componentry of the blower, the burner, and the ceramic deck that will work to lower your gas consumption anywhere from 50 to 70%. Newest product from Garland is the Garland XHP Synergy Grill.